You've heard that you need it for your business, but maybe you're not too sure if you're using it right. I'm talking about a CRM. I receive requests on a regular basis from real estate agents asking me to integrate a CRM into their process. Come to find out, most real estate agents don't really know how to properly use a CRM. So today we're talking about a real estate CRM. We're gonna go through the terminology, what it actually does, and if you really need it. I'm sure you've heard the term thrown around pretty loosely. If you're a real estate agent, or if you even own your own business, you need a CRM, right? So the purpose of this video is to break down CRM fundamentals. I want to make sure you understand how it works, the terminology, and really understand if this is something that is right for you. By the way, I will not be getting into the nitty-gritty of actually using a CRM in this video, simply because I'm going to be going over the basics. All CRMs across the board are essentially the same. So once you understand the fundamentals, you'll be able to go into any of those platforms and be able to use it like a pro. But before I get into this, please make sure you smash that like button. We really appreciate it. It really helps us reach our videos to a wider audience and continue to curate really awesome content just for you. So before I get into the actual reasons why you would need a CRM, I do want to cover some of the terminology, because I want to make sure we're talking about the exact same thing. So when it comes to talking about CRMs, there's really three terms that you need to understand in order to effectively use one. The first term is a lead. A lead is simply someone you're trying to do business with. Great examples of this could be a list that you'll get from a title company, or maybe some homes that you're door knocking, or potentially names and numbers of people that you're getting from a phone dialer. Now, in the event someone does decide to do business with you, that leads us into term number two, which is contact. And a contact is essentially someone that wants to do business with you. Now, in some cases, you might be tempted to add a friend or family member or someone in your sphere as a contact. Now, I do want to proceed with a side of caution on this, because they must fit the requirement of someone that wants to do business with you. If they do not check that checkbox, then they should be in the lead category. Lastly, the third concept I want to relay to you is the key term, or the word deal. A deal is exactly what it sounds like, but a deal can only be created through a contact. Simply because of that previous rule that I mentioned earlier, a contact is someone that wants to do business with you. If it's a lead cannot create a deal. I just want to make sure that we differentiate the difference between lead, contact, and deal. Now let's get into the fun stuff. What is a CRM and why do you need it? Now, truth be told, a CRM, or customer relationship management system, is nothing more than just a glorified phone book or a Rolodex. And in terms of reasons why you would need a CRM, it really boils down to two. Number one is organization. It really helps you keep organized your leads and your contacts, or understand the last time you've reached out to a lead or a contact. It really helps hold you accountable. And the number two reason why you would potentially need a CRM is because of reporting. CRMs are a great tool for extracting different reporting, as well as being able to visualize the data from them. For example, let's say you want to pull a report of all your leads and understand how many times you had to touch them or contact them and reach out to them before that lead became a contact. Once you find out what that number is, then you can create a marketing campaign or an automated drip campaign in order to kind of facilitate that process to make it easier for you to have to nurture that lead. Another idea would be to create a report on your contacts and really understand their CLV, or customer lifetime value. So you understand how much a specific client has generated for you, how many deals you've closed with them. So you really understand who your active clients are and who your passive clients are, so you can put together unique campaigns to really, nurture them. Now, I do want to add a quick little asterisk and just discuss briefly that most CRMs do have, fancy bells and whistles to help automate processes or create drip campaigns or send out text messages. And I'm not going to cover any of that in this video. Really, the purpose of this video is to help you understand fundamentally how a CRM works and how you should be approaching using it. At the end of the day, a CRM is really nothing but a glorified phone book or Rolodex. That's really just what it is. So then the final question to be asked is, do you really need a CRM? And the answer is no. Like I said earlier, a CRM is really designed for helping you organize your contacts and visualizing your data. It is not a mandatory requirement to run your business. I deal with hundreds of real estate agents on a regular basis. And at the end of the day, the really successful ones rely on their resilience and their grit over using a CRM to help run their business. Technology is a vastly valuable resource, but it should not be the main driver of your business. At the end of the day, to be a successful real estate agent, you really need to focus more on those face-to-face conversations or picking up that phone and calling and talking to someone. Anyway, I hope you found this video valuable. And if you did, we'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and maybe leave a comment below. And in addition to that, if you please would not mind, but clicking that subscribe button and hitting that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.